If you want your users to upload a photo to a form, you can certainly use upload fields that will accept photos as pre-captured files. But let me show you the new image capture feature in the file upload question that offers a more convenient and user-friendly approach. Hi there, welcome to SurveyJS. This is Elena, and today we're going to create a form that allows users to capture, preview, and upload photos to a SurveyJS form without even leaving it. So I'm in the free demo of SurveyJS Creator. You can find and evaluate this tool at surveyjs.io. And now I'm going to create a form and add a file upload question to my form by dragging it from the toolbox on the left to the design surface. Now let's add a title, please. Upload a photo. And I also want to add photo requirements as a subtitle. So for this, we need to go to the property grid on the right, and under general, in description field, let's add the photo must be recent, no header accessories. Great. So by default, the file upload question is set to local files option, which means that users can upload files from their devices. And if we want to enable camera support within the file upload question, then we need to change the file source type to camera. And in this case, if we go to the preview, we can see that our file upload question now has the take photo button that activates camera on the respondent's device. If we want to provide more flexibility to our respondents and we, for example, don't know whether they have or can have pre-captured photos on their devices, or we want them to upload the most recent photos, then we recommend changing the source type to local files or camera. In this case, users can basically choose whether they want to select file from their device or they want to take a photo right within the form while they're interacting with it. Another useful feature in the file upload question is file preview or photo preview in our case. It's enabled by default. So here's the option, preview images. So if you go to the preview and we select a file, then we see the preview of this file, and we can also replace it if you're not happy with it, or take a new photo if we don't have the required file on our device before we submit it. If you enable the hybrid option called local files or camera, then we also recommend restricting accepted file types using the dedicated field. For this, you just need to enter the file type in this format. And when users are prompted to select files for upload, they will be choosing from files of this format only. You can also limit the file size for your questions. And if the files exceed the limit that you specified, then users will be shown an error message, which is also very useful. If you only have one question for multiple supporting documents, then you can allow users to upload multiple files within one question. For this, we need to enable allow multiple files. And if we go to the preview and, for example, select a few files, then you can see that they are displayed as thumbnail previews. And the preview gallery is enabled to make sure that users can navigate using those arrow icons and check whether they uploaded all files required. If you want, you can disable preview images option. And in this case, if users upload files, then they will look this way. So users will still see that what files they uploaded, but they won't be able to see the thumbnails of those files. The file upload question allows users to manage the already uploaded files, for example, by deleting them or replacing them. And if you want, you can do. If you want to avoid accidental file deletion, then you can enable confirm file deletion option here. And in this case, if users upload files and then they click the delete button, they will be shown the confirmation pop-up asking them to whether they are sure if they want to delete the file or not. And the final feature that I want to show you is the custom placeholder text. So for each source type, whether it's camera, local files, or the hybrid option, you can customize a placeholder text, basically giving detailed instructions to your respondents as to what kind of action is required from them. So for if it's a file upload, then users need to drag and drop files, or let's change it. Let's change the source type to local files. And then in the preview mode, you can see that users can either drag and drop files or click the button, which is select file. And then if we switch it to camera, then the placeholder text changes to click the button below to take the photo. So you can customize those text using the dedicated fields here. Now let's try to take a photo and upload it to our form. Perfect.